Hello YouTube, my name is Reese, and recently I've been wanting to share the paint schemes that I do on Twitch with everyone around in saved video format. So if you've ever had a struggle time figuring out what you wanted to paint or how you wanted to paint it, maybe look to these videos and see if you can find something you'd want to do. These will be simple, quick, and battle ready. Now I don't claim to be an expert, that's not what this is. What I want to do is show you simple color schemes that can be attained with small amounts of colors as well as washes. And by the end of it, you'll either have a clear idea of what you want to paint your miniature as, or if you want, you can use this scheme. I know marines aren't everyone's cup of tea, but it's good to start out simple. Further down the line, I hope to post videos on Necrons, Chaos, Tyranids, and so forth. And without further ado, let's get into my paint scheme of the Imperial Fists. Start off, I use a base of yellow orch from Vallejo. Cover every single portion of the miniature, from the feet, to the gauntlets, to the chest piece, and so on. If you can't use Vallejo yellow, I recommend Sahara yellow from AK Cyrillic. It works just as well. Following basing, you're going to be paying attention to more of your details. This will be your trim, extra weapon parts, the aquillas, all that good stuff. Don't worry about messing up the detailing too much, just because we're going to be covering it with mud later down the line. Next, you're going to go over all of your armor parts with Casandra yellow to make it a deep, darker color. Following that will be a wash with Sepia to give it more of a mud look. Now, this is where I could say you can drop it off and leave it as is. It's a perfectly fine color scheme. But if you want that extra bit of mud, we gotta go deeper. For the splash look of mud, we're going to be using the contrast paint Gore Fur, as well as Agrax Earthshade. Now, after continuously doing multiple intercessors as well as aggressors, I've come to find that snakebite leather is also a great addition into the mud look. Incorporating no oil is always a great addition as well, just to reach the deeper parts you know you can't get with a brush. Afterwards, it's just a matter of picking what base style you want to go with, and you have a finished MudFist. I really hope this tutorial helped you out. Leave a like and a comment down below, let me know what you thought about the video, and I'll see you next time with another paint scheme. Have a good one, YouTube.